For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
India's top regulatory body approved the use of antiviral drug Remdesivir for the use of COVID-19 patients. The regulator body has advised that the top antiviral drug can be used for both adults and children infected with severe COVID-19. Remdesivir is the first drug to show improvement in COVID-19 patients in formal clinical trials. Drugs Controller General approved the medicine to administrate as part of 5-day regimen to moderately ill patients. California biotech company stated that they would publish complete details of the antiviral drug in the medical journal. According to the study conducted by National Institute of Health, the antiviral drug is only medicine that has shown improvements in the fight against the infection. The study also revealed that the drug can shorten the recovery period from 15 days to 11 days in patients diagnosed with severe COVID-19. On the flip side, patients who were administered with the antiviral drug did not do well. The drug will be administered in form of injection and can be sold by retail based on the prescription by specialists. The antiviral drug can also be used as in hospitals and institutional setups too. Even US Food and Drug Administration has issued an emergency use of the antiviral drug for the treatment of suspected patients in the laboratory. As per the new Drug and Clinical Trial Rules 2019, the approval process of the antiviral drug was accelerated. It also provides waiving of clinical trials of Remdesivir in special circumstances. The two Indian pharmaceutical companies, Cipla and Hetero Labs, have applied for the permission to manufacture and sell Remdesivir in India. However, the application is still under consideration as the biotech company has entered into non-exclusive agreements with the pharma companies. Indian Council of Medical Research or ICMR had previously stated that the antiviral medication Remdesivir was also used during the Ebola virus outbreak. Incidentally, the drug had failed as a treatment for Ebola outbreak and was designated as a disease mechanism where the virus can go through mutation. The antiviral drug has the ability to inhibit the SARS-CoV-2 replication to treat the COVID-19 patients as part of a World Health Organization's Solidarity trial. Apart from the ICMR, even Japanese health regulators can use Remdesivir in a health crisis when they run out of options. Apart from Remdesivir, several companies are still working on the variety of treatment and vaccine approaches for the illness.